Good morning guys, this is Raza and you're watching my channel Anjana Musafir, and today in this video I am going to review one very good app for you to calculate your mileage of your bike or your car. First, let me make it clear, this is not a paid review. I'm doing it because I'm using it and I found it is really helpful for us, and I'm sure it can be helpful for all of you guys because this app is very convenient and easy to use, and also this will give you accurate mileage and price and so many things about your bike. To install this app, first go to Google Play Store and type in the search box mileage calculator. Then you will find a blue icon and there is your app mileage calculator. There are many things this app can calculate, and these are fuel price, travel kilometer and traveled kilometer, fuel used and fuel needed, vehicle mileage, total fuel price and price per kilometer. So this app is one page tool and you don't need to search for many things. Everything is just in front of you, you just type and let it go. Although it is very easy to operate, but I would like to demonstrate how we can use this app. So now when you have already installed this app, first open the app and you will find three blank space. First is fuel price, second is travel kilometer, and the third one is total fuel. So first you need to put the price, the fuel price of your country, of your state, of your city, of anywhere. Just put the price. For example, I'm putting the price 80 rupees per liter. And travel kilometer in your auto trip, or the travel kilometer is in your mind like 200 kilometer or 300 kilometer or 500 kilometer. I'm tapping it 500 kilometer, so 500 kilometer. And total fuel, in the total fuel column you have to write the total amount of fuel you have filled or in your tank. So I'm writing it 10 liter. Now just calculate it. So the result is here. Total fuel price is 800 rupees, mileage is 50 kilometer per liter, and 1 kilometer price is 1.60 rupees. And now you can save it or you can clear it. And also there are few more options. You can go to 3 dot at the top right corner and there are so many things like calculation history, refill history, backup, restore, settings, and so many things. And also one more option is there, fuel log. It is in front of the screen above the fuel price, and if you open it there are few blank spaces and it is written already here the date, and you can enter your meter reading, total fuel price or quantity, and comments or location. So this option is basically for your history. It is like a note and you fill the detail and remember it afterward that you filled this much amount of petrol and this price at that place and at that time, and you can save it forever. First type the date, on which date you are going to fill or you had already filled or you are filling it now, the petrol, the diesel, like I'm tapping it 27/9/2020, and meter reading, your current meter reading, I'm tapping it 40,000, and total fuel price, how much you had spent, like 800. And now fuel price or fuel quantity, you can type quantity or fuel price. I'm tapping it fuel price like 80, and comments location, I'm tapping it location like New Delhi, and now you can save. So this make your history saved and you will use it, you can recall it afterward. So this is the most and easiest convenient way to check your mileage and all other things, and I'm using it for more than a month and I'm sure you will love it. So if you like this app and you want to install it, go to the description box below, you will find the link. With that said, closing this video right here right now. If you like this video, please hit the like button, you can comment also, you can share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel Anjana Musafir. See you in the next video. Bye bye.